Today's adventure has us at Mill Creek, way up in the mountains that I've already been walking through. You can probably tell by my breathing. It is supposedly the home to the only native trout of Georgia, the brook trout, which isn't really a trout. Never mind all that. I have to get past all the brushy area, and based off of my father's book, one of them anyway, to get past it on this trail, I had to pass some very good-looking holes on a river, but I'm on a mission. So let's see where this mission takes us. Well, that was quick. Looks like according to the sheriff, I can't be here. I happened to leave my phone in the car, going back to get it, and there's the sheriff. So that sheriff was one of the nicest people I've ever met. Not only did he, not get upset about me parking where I shouldn't, he also brought me to another place where he said most people don't fish. So that probably is good. We'll find out. He did warn me about the snakes, though. So we'll try not to get bit by any snakes. Well, I gotta say, if nothing else, it is beautiful over here. So I hadn't decided which rod I was going to use, if I was going to use the Tenkara or my fly rod, but judging by the size of this place, we're going with the fly rod. So I'm going to get set up and we'll get started. I've already seen evidence of fish in this creek while getting set up, so hey, that's promising anyway. Well, so far I'm doing poorly. The wind is quite blowy, which does not bode well for myself and a fly rod. Trees also don't. Looks like I might need another tree and fish counter. I just saw my first trout in the bottom of this hole. The trout saw me. It's pointless to try and fish there now. That was a fish. Can I get the fish twice? I knew there had to be one hiding under that log. Oh, I saw it. It was going after it. I feel like a fool. I think he's had enough. Man, that's disappointing. Don't mind me. I'm just a little tree. That was a sunfish. Pretty sure. Have no clue how long the battery had been dead, but I didn't catch anything anyway, so nothing missed. The water is so loud, I can't hear when the camera turns itself off. That was the slowest take I've ever seen. 3 misses. 3. Watched 3 fish miss that fly. Well, so much for this hole. Looks like a good spot. What do we think? Get hung 12, 13 times. Look at that, already hung on my own line. This looks like a good hole. Let's see what happens. Good grief. Are you kidding me? Well, there goes that fly. No better time to change flies, I guess. Let's see how we do with a parachute wolf. I don't know, I got this thing about the wolves. I like to think the fish are hungry for the wolf. Well, that one was hungry for the wolf, but not hungry enough, it would seem. Boy, I cannot get a fish to take it fully. This is kind of annoying. Think of this bridge here. I'm going to stop. Catch anything or not. I'm going to stop at this bridge. Hike back. Well, hike back, walk back down the road. And try a different spot. Different creek, rather. Alright, here's the next spot off of the river. Did a little research. Turns out I was just fishing the river. It wasn't an offshoot creek or anything, it was just the river. Yeah, I'm starting to feel like I know why no one fishes here. This looks good. Oh goodness, that's deep. Walked way up the road, which is actually way up there, to find a spot that seems fishable. Guess we'll find out, huh? Well, that's not what I wanted to do right away. That's even less of what I wanted to do right away. Well, that's annoying. Alright, well, set back up. Expectations are low. Pretty frustrated. Don't know how long I'll actually stay out here. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I just got stuck in the same tree. Alright. Move along. Can't see a thing up there. Yeah, it's getting real thick with branches. Well, looks like I'm done. Thanks for joining me on my adventure of nothingness. Driving 5 hours to break a rod. Alright. Hey, maybe there won't even be a next time.